And it's a pattern. It's a pattern. We don't have DPP. Akulimbana anthu MBC. MBC ajimira janika. In a dream way, Jali ananimbira phone undi opyeza. Unikalipira ngani mwana wao. Parango binanthawi, one of our female reporters, a young girl that we've just employed. Anapira kabanga gava one of the primaries. Wina namulanda zithu umphanyira umulanda mazithuzi kuononga zithuzi. Today zikuchitikaso chimozimozi. What is disappointing me is that anthu amene amalankhula pa zinthu ngati zimenezi ikakhala MBC salankhula. Zosezi status uratuone blessings. Misa Malawi kaya kuli chani ukula mulima babungu yana watu rankani ena so iwe ndiwe chairman wao ka chani no sisi munalankhule chifoti ndi MBC mwine weso uralankhula ikalakanga ruditsi is conflict of interest so wewe tukukhululukira kumaza kose sana lankhule including Gordon Matonga chairman wa Misa Malawi sana lankhule. Why? Because it's MBC. Yet MBC is MBC Arongana MBC. The full members are Mr. Malawi. Timalibira, we paid them only two months ago about 3 million, paying for our people. Our programs are Rankani Chadi, Kurakalema member. Therefore, they are entitled to their protection, but they are not being protected. Why? Because it's MBC. They only look at MBC Zuzgarawinga. The fact that under this government, so many good things that are going to go MBC, nobody wants to talk about it. Even in my appointment, even my director Zanga, their appointment, strictly by the law. Since I'm going to the phone, I do no information here. I only say, that damn, I say, hey, George, calling you Mama, go and report to MPC. It never happened. It never happened. All my predecessors were being appointed. I'm full antipode. We're being appointed just by a phone call. From controller, secretary of operation, not even in interviews. Nobody talks about it. So to me, it's a disappointment. But all I can promise DPP, then I will say, I'm not going to stand by and see UD and our MBC are being mistreated. We're going to pursue the matter. The police, we're going to pursue the matter. We will help the police with logistics. And if you don't know to hire a lawyer to help prosecute that, we are going to do it. We're not going to sit by people as Bangaj. So I want to promise, I want to take advantage of this program, of this opportunity debates. Those that think for the Sanko, if I'm MBC, the foreign as it zunguza, as Banga violent, we're going to fight it out. We'll go to court and fight it out. And I'll be like prison. Because I'm not going to just to sit by and see the people as Banga Harasi and MBC. I'm not going to sit by. If in the past they had the director general, I'm going to fight it out. Legally, of course. We'll go to court and fight it out. Because the people should learn. And the MPC, I'm a we are very proud to look at saving Malawians could go MPC. Zodwina as the digital victims of violence because you could sanko. So I'm warning everyone. I'm going to as long as the MPC Nkopega. Not anymore. Not under my watch. I don't accept it. I'm also telling anthu amene amayang'ana Arankani Zomuno kuti zinabangazo ndikuona. They should not think kuti ndikuona kuti akana kauti says wakuti muthu waku times or muthu waku zodiac or waku nation. By today, Gordon Matonga would have signed the statement condemning it. By today, all these political parties were anena condemning it. But because an MPC in Trankani, when he didn't do anything wrong, he simply went to go back a cover. Maybe I should stop there because I'm slowly losing it. Because the people that are harassing are my people. And I'm not going to stand by and put up with this harassment. Yes.
Chabwino, ndatokoza kwambiri Mr. Kasakula.